Your Samsung phone can do way more than you think. From browsing the web without ads, faster and safer, to customizing your keyboard exactly how you imagine. There are tons of powerful features most people never use. You can even create your own stickers using the new Galaxy AI tools. And I found a secret way to use Photo Assist that completely changes how you edit your photos. There is also a hidden feature that gives you instant access to things like your calendar, calculator, quick notes and more. Plus, a super clean way to customize your icons. And that's just the beginning. Some of the most powerful Samsung tricks are actually hidden right inside the camera app. The shutter button might look normal at first, just for taking photos, but it actually hides some secret shortcuts. Did you know that if you press and hold it, it immediately starts recording? This is super useful if you want to capture a moment fast without switching to the video tab. If you drag your finger up while holding, the recording locks in place and lets you zoom while filming. Here is another cool trick. Put the shutter button down and your phone captures a bunch of pictures in a row. Then you can quickly pick your favorites and download them. And if you thought the camera tricks were hidden, wait until you see this secret way to browse the web faster and without annoying ads. Here is a website without this tool. Ads everywhere, popping up all over the place. But here is the same site with it turned on, clean, faster and way easier to use. And the best part is, it only takes a minute to set up. Just open the Samsung store, tap on the search bar and type Crystal for Samsung Internet. Then download it. Once you open the app, you will see all the things it can do. Just scroll to the right and enable it in Samsung Internet. You can even see how many ads it blocked every day. After that, go back into the app, tap on more blocking options and turn these on to remove tracking as well. You can also choose if you want to disable acceptable ads for an even cleaner experience. Now look at this. Here is the same website before, overloaded with ads and unnecessary clutter, but with Crystal enabled, everything looks cleaner and much more smoother. But this is just one way to upgrade your Samsung. Let me show you a trick that makes your keyboard look insanely cool. The app is called Keys Cafe and you can find it in the Samsung store or inside the Good Lock app. When you open it, go to the keyboard tab and as you can see, there are already a bunch of ready-made keyboards you can choose from. But the crazy part is, you can fully customize your own, just tap on the plus button. Here you can pick any colors you like, but the best part is hidden in the effects tab. You can choose from different keyboard animations, set them in specific colors, change the key color, and even add key motion to make everything look way cooler. And it gets even better. You can also pick different touch sounds like retro, space and more. Once you're done, just tap save and your new keyboard will be ready to use in any app. We've leveled up the keyboard. Now it's time to take your icons to the next level. You can choose the app shape you like, pick from effects like gradient, emboss or glass and customize them however you want by trying out different settings. You can even change the colors to match your theme. But if you tap here, you can customize each app individually and make it look completely different. You can also play with all the settings and customize your entire theme however you imagine it. This app is called Theme Park and you can get it from Samsung Store or inside Good Lock. Now that your phone looks unique, let's make it faster with edge panels. Samsung's edge panels are great for quick access, but most people don't realize you can level them up and unlock a whole new level of productivity. To enable this feature, just go to Settings, tap on Display and then select Edge Panels. Turn it on and when you tap on Panels, you'll see a bunch of options like Favorite Tabs, Weather, Music and more. Everything you need for quick access right at your fingertips. But here is the secret trick. If you head over to the Samsung store and search for panels, you'll discover even more powerful ones, like Calendar, Direct Call Panel, Edge Quick Notes, plus a bunch of super handy panels most people miss. After downloading these extra panels, they will automatically appear in your Edge Panels list. You can enable whichever ones you like, rearrange them, and your Samsung phone becomes smarter, giving you quick access to everything you need. Ready for the next secret? I didn't think Galaxy AI could surprise me on my S26 Ultra, but there are two secret ways to use Photo Assist, and the last one will absolutely blow your mind. This AI tool lets you edit your photos however you imagine. Want to turn a daylight shot into night, or draw something on your image and have it come to life automatically? Galaxy AI can do it. Here is the first trick: sky replacement. Open your gallery and select the image you want to edit. Tap the Galaxy AI button, tap Create, then tap the Image button to upload a sky photo. I used one from Unsplash. Hit Done, then type this prompt: transfer sky from image B to image A, match lighting. Tap Generate, and in just a few seconds your sky will be completely replaced with a new look. But that's just the beginning. The next trick will blow your mind even more. For the outfit trick, tap Create, then upload a reference image. You can grab one from Pinterest, which works great because it has tons of high quality photos of different outfits. Then write this prompt: transfer clothing from subject in photo B to subject in photo A, ensure realistic fit. Hit Generate, and just like that, you can see how any outfit looks on you, perfect for testing styles before buying. Here is a secret most people don't know. You can copy the colors from one photo and apply them to another photo or even a video. But first, you need a photo or scene with colors you like. This can be from a movie or any picture only. Just take a screenshot or download it. After that, go to your gallery and select the photo or video you want to edit. Tap on Edit, then go to the Filter tab. Now tap on the plus button and choose the image you saved earlier. Then tap Create, give your filter a name and hit Done. And just like that, you created your own custom color filter. You can adjust the strength, contrast and other settings to get the exact look you want. But here is the best part: you can use this filter on any photo or video anytime you want. That was for photos. Now let's make your S Pen do something really cool. The app is called Pentastic, and you can find it in Samsung Store or inside the Good Look app. It lets you completely customize your S Pen, making it look and feel way cooler. You can choose different air command styles, pick a pointer you like, and even change the sound effect of your S Pen. But it also adds one super useful feature you definitely don't want to miss. Let's check it out. When you open Pentastic, you can choose from different air commands. I really like the retro and circle styles. You can also change the pointer, and the cool part is you can upload your own PNG image from your gallery and make it totally yours. You can also customize the sounds for when you pull out the S Pen or put it back in, which makes the whole experience feel more fun and personal. But my favorite part is double tap shortcut. You can set it to open any app. I use it to open Samsung Notes so I can quickly write down ideas anytime. Now let me show you something that completely changes how your photos look. This AI tool is actually hidden inside the Samsung gallery. Just pick any photo, tap the AI button and then go to Style. Here is where things get really interesting. You can choose from a bunch of different photo and portrait styles that completely change how your image looks. From the Photo tab, my favorites are 3D Tone and Sci-Fi. They give your pictures a totally unique vibe. And in the Portrait tab, you've got some really cool ones too. Studio makes your photo look like it was taken in professional setup, and Sketch turns it into something that looks like a real hand drawing. For the last one, and trust me, you don't want to miss this, Samsung's new Creative Studio. When you open Creative Studio, your creativity instantly feels endless. You can generate your own sticker sets. Choose a style, just import a photo, hit Generate, and select the sticker set you want it to create. Once you save it, you can use it directly from your keyboard. Creative Studio also lets you create unique invitations. And out of all the features, my favorite has to be the wallpaper generator. It works just like the other AI tools, but it lets you create amazing wallpapers exactly how you imagine them. Perfect for giving your phone a totally unique look. And that's it for Samsung tricks. If you love this, check out my next video where I show how to turn your phone into a pro camera.